Welcome back to Project Watch. This is Sir P. Now recently, when the cowboy western Netflix series will take place in West Kingston between, of course, West Kingston 87s and the police also getting involved and later JDF. 87s them run left a weapon. Now, I'm going to talk about not just that weapon, but weapons in general when in the hands of 87s. Believe me when I tell you, so 87s have access to everything. And I mean everything. They can't use it properly, right? Might not be highly accurate with them, but they have access to everything. Within reason, obviously we now say 87s are like off Scud missile, because we know Simple Simon is always listening. Oh, so we are trying to say 87s have Scud missile. Listen, people. One of the reasons why we keep talking about self-defense for the law-abiding Jamaicans is because I am well aware of the fact that the whole tougher laws against help crime, and because that's the activist argument. If you toughen the laws, make it harder for people to get weapons, then that's going to cut back the gun crime. One of the dumbest arguments you can ever hear. This is the same argument them use in America, by the way. Oh well, if it just toughen up the laws, then that means as if criminals follow laws, right? As if criminals are going to apply for nothing, or criminals are going to go through an FLA or go through the legal system. Abandon all the business. Them give a man money, then get a machine, right? So when you consider the 87 in Jamaica, all you have to do is put in the request and have the money and then get anything them want. And I mean anything them want. Then what the people them supposed to do? The weapon you see on your screen right now is the very rare Taurus PT 24/7. No, I'm not talking about no month, I'm not talking about no day and a week. That's the name of it. Right? Taurus PT 24/7. Probably the first time some people hear about it. Enough people, even in the military, even the police, have never even seen one. They're rare. They're actually discontinued. Taurus still have some problem with them. Right? They will have some kind of defects, them even pay out some big lawsuit. Right? But the people that the whole amp on one before all that go down. Right now, you can't even get them to sell it, because one thing with people who love Taurus, some of them brand, the people who love Taurus are just Taurus them on. If you're allowed into this and you want to buy one, you can't get one, because I say it's discontinued, but guess who can get one? 87s. Are them things the 87s are used, right? Not just go and feed them apps with a challenge police. Again, I ask you, what are law-abiding Jamaicans supposed to do? A flingstone? Flingstone after them, or what? Fling a magnum buckle? Once the man them have them money, I eat that. Then put in them order. Right? Want this, and then the man them source it and bring it in. Then can't get it from Uncle Sam place and get it from Haiti. Right? There's nothing where they can't get between them two countries. Between Uncle Sam place and Haiti, there is nothing where they can't get. Right? So, when you imagine say your standard run-of-the-mill 87, who can't even take away himself from a contact while holding on to his weapon, or walk on with this. We don't have to understand what the people them up against. And we are talking about name brand Matic, we are talking about Dear Matic. Right. In the streets, people call handgun Matic. That's why I say mongrel and a Matic and a mongrel. But ask yourself this question. If the narrative is if you're 87, who is living on the edge of malnutrition, right? He's so hungry, So poor. Which is why him go over Chadiga Park and go shoot 8 people in a one night. Because he saw the worm them in them bellies attack him and confuse him. So desperate. Can't do nothing. Ask yourself why and how them a walk up and down with Matic. Where can literally be a down payment on a house. Might not be a big luxury house, but still like. As a matter of fact, if them sell the Matic in much black and cement and steel them could have buy. Ask yourself for a gang will tell us the reason why them keep up the foolishness is because them not have nothing. How them always manage to find the money for the gun them. All the man will tell us say in can't find 5 bills for getting pitney lunch money. We'll find 500,000 for bringing a new K. The gang will tell us say, well, them all do this cause as me said, the malnutrition kick in. But your collection of firepower is valued in the tens of millions. Imagine the total value on the weapons them where a clansman lock off or a stone crusher lock off. We're talking about tens of millions. If this was purely about money and those, getting money in your hand. And for them youth, would I take money and literally send themselves go to trade school, start business, do all kind of things, and millions of dollars the man them a walk around with and shoot up people with. One man unlock $2 million worth of weapons, and I go tell us say him can't afford a bun and cheese. So that's why I come here. Right. Him see woman down the road with her purse. Right. Him Matic cost 300,000, 200,000. And the woman have $3,000 in her purse. And him take it from her, and if she try put up little resistance, he will give her a run. And then here comes the KAJ, and if he walk to this, well, if he wasn't so, it's because he's poor. Man have something that man value 200,000, 300,000. And we don't think that about the shot them. Even when your favorite criminals make money, while man make the money, the first thing I think about is how much new extra Matic they can buy. Every time they make $1 million, they must say, yeah man, this a 2-3 new Matic. The idea that, is you step on the brink of death, that's why they must resort to what they resort to. It's a myth. It's a myth. Certainly not for murder. Certainly not for go over Chadiga Park or kill the 8. Certainly not for kick down house and like whatever everybody and then like cut the crap. You know what kind of stories we'd be hearing if a malnutrition that force people to take up certain things? Would I hear say them catch a man are broke in a high low and all him teeth are just bread and tin food and come out. Show me them story. Show me the story of a few 87 dig off the grill for going to a supermarket and all him take out a pound of chicken back and pound of rice. Him not trouble nothing else. Him just take out pound of chicken back and pound of rice and go on with it. And take out tin food, canned beef and them something. Then they said that's a man. So then you could possibly present the argument say, well, that man was so desperate for some food, he resorted to the measures then. The fact that people try to use hunger to justify acts of terror is complete madness. But I don't expect any better. Unfortunately, Sympatonitis has gotten out of hand. You see, the time they take a lockdown country, for Big C, they need to lock down the country, right, for Sympatonitis, and start quarantine people. Symptoms over here, so, right. Lock you up in the house for 14 years, not 14 days, not 14 years. That's how we can't get on fixing in Jamaica, because whenever issues come up, right, people present, right, some complete rubbish argument to justify what they must say. Well, if the youths then they just have more money. Tell us why Moby turn upside down and people are drop like fly. Well, you see the youths and they just have more money, but. It didn't just have more money. It was money. We're dropping in their hand and make the Moby youths them get 100 times cooler than they already were. Because money allowed them to do what they really want to do, which is block off ends, settle old scores, get the best protection from the wickedest man they can find. The man who did this 10 years ago, them couldn't do nothing to have the money in their pocket, but now that some have money, they can send a man to go deal with him. Money in the wrong hands is very destructive. It's like water. The same way water can save your life, and the same way water can drown you. But the same thing with money. So the next time you hear say one of your favorite 87 them running at somebody community, lick down how much people and let off how much rounds, and you get ready for jump on the comment section of one of the big pages them to tell people say, oh, if you say they just have more money, just remember I said the 87 what I talk about. And for the shooter them when I talk about, them have more money than you. And for the man them only claims to only feel sorry for, them have more assets than you. Because if you have 116, 1K and 3 Matic, he's a millionaire. His net worth is over $1 million. It might be an acidic net worth, and the assets they might be illegal, but are still asset because if you decide say more sell it a morning, he may get a buyer. Matter of fact, him can sell him 16 faster than you can sell your car or your house. If you try sell your house now, say you try, liquidate and get some funds and try sell your house and see how long it take. Himself him 3K them right away. Money fly in a pocket by the week done. So the next time you feel sorry for your 387, it might end up feel sorry for you. Don't buy into the hype say every youth you see a run on an abortion. They're on the brink of malnutrition. Because you want, not only is the weapon very expensive, but if police hold him with said weapon, he might turn up a courthouse with an expensive lawyer. A lawyer where even you can't afford. Lawyer where we only hear them name, but he might turn up a court with him. Remember him up on the brink of malnutrition. The worm them about to take him at any minute now. But if he get catch when he turn up a courthouse, look who's sitting upside him now. You try hire one of them lawyer there. Just contact them and say, me have a case and this is this and that and that. Much they go cost me a year much. And your favorite one of the mill 87 can turn up a court with him. Even if I done pay fee to ask yourself this question, why did Dan never take the money there and send him go on trade school? I mean, he loved you, right? Why did Dan would never say, see $2 million here, go start a business, but he may give you $2 million with a rifle? Mr. 87 ask you than that. Nowadays, all kind of delivery companies are pop up across Jamaica. Enough of these weapons cost more than the bike where the youth them ride for deliver. Enough of these weapons literally cost more than the yang them. But you Dan wouldn't give a yang. But him give a Taurus so. PT 24/7 until they say for go lock ends and wait up man. Anyway, I phone in life. Dash it if you know. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.